services actually assist offenders and people who find themselves in the wrong side of the law to repair their lives and to progress into the future. In the State Department of Performance Contracting, under the Office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary, there are huge expectations, especially on making government and government workers and public servants in general much more productive. We have a big question of productivity of our public service. You will get to know that the analysis that has been done on the productivity of the Kenyan public service doesn't sit very well with the rest of the globe. And therefore, the State Department that we established at the Prime Cabinet Secretary's office is such that government can address itself to the issues of productivity and to the balance between salaries, wages on one end, and development resources on the other end. You may want to know that at the moment, we are spending about 46% of our revenues on salaries and wages. The law and best practice demands that we spend 35%. So we are 11% above what is recommended as best practice and what is stipulated in the laws of the Republic of Kenya. I do expect that your department will work with the Salaries and Remuneration Commission and all the other government agencies to make sure that we take the country towards the balance between development resources and resources spent on wages and salaries, and to ensure that every public servant